If you reimagined a world where humans share the earth with giant horses, and what if those horses attacked humanity? It would become imperative for humans to devise innovative strategies and technologies to reclaim their dominance on the planet. In this scenario, humans might employ a combination of advanced weaponry, strategic military formations, and perhaps even alliances with other creatures or elements of nature to effectively fight back against the overwhelming strength of these colossal adversaries. Ultimately, through ingenuity, bravery, and relentless perseverance, humanity could potentially turn the tide in this battle against the giant horses, employing tactics that prioritize preservation of life while still ensuring their own safety and future. In a surprising twist, as the conflict escalates, humans may find that dialogue and mutual understanding could pave the way for a peaceful resolution, transforming an adversarial relationship into one of cooperation and shared stewardship of the earth. Through collaboration and respect, humanity might learn that rather than being enemies, they could foster a symbiotic relationship with the giant horses, leading to a harmonious future where both can thrive together on this shared planet. This reimagined world highlights that through empathy, shared goals, and mutual respect, humanity could not only survive but flourish alongside the giant horses, creating a legacy of peace and ecological harmony for future generations. Thus, the journey of conflict transforms into one of collaboration, demonstrating that when faced with formidable challenges, humanity can indeed rise to create a more compassionate and sustainable world alongside even the most unexpected allies. Ultimately, this narrative serves as a reminder that through understanding, collaboration, and shared experiences, even the most daunting conflicts can lead to remarkable partnerships that enrich both species and highlight the beauty of living in harmony. In this reimagined world, education becomes the cornerstone of a harmonious future, as both humans and giant horses share knowledge and experiences, ensuring that the lessons learned from past conflicts cultivate a new generation dedicated to mutual respect and coexistence.